I mean, I could name like 10 reasons why Save Club was just the most amazing timing, opportunity. I've always loved saving money. You know, I didn't grow up with much. I've always been very frugal with stuff. And I've always thought that saving money was the best possible product you could have. Last week, I booked a hotel, and there was a few of us. We were going to meet a meetup in Orange County, and my friend said, "Oh, you know, I paid this price," and my other friends, "Oh, you know, I got this price." And before they talked to me, and I said, "Guys, what are you talking about? Like the hotel's like, you know, 180 a night. What are you talking about? 320?" The guy's like, "No, no, no. I called the hotel directly, dude. That you can't get a better price than that." My other friend's like, "No, no, no. I went on, you know, cheap tickets. You can't get a better price than that." I said, "Well, sorry, but you know, I went in my Save Club back office, and this wasn't even the elite travel. This was just our regular travel engine that we have that we've had the whole time, and I had a significantly lower price on the Hyatt up in Anaheim for that trip. So, you know, there's a lot of value there. I've had a couple times where I've gone out to lunch and I even forgot I had the app, and I got home and there was cash, you know, cash back coming to me because, you know, because it's all automated because I have my credit card back there linked to it. So I love the card linking. Charles and I went to an amazing conference last year. We learned so much about card linking and all this stuff, and we felt very fortunate because a couple of the relationships Charles had made um, basically took us into an arena where only billion-dollar companies were allowed into it, and we were pretty amazed. We're sitting in this conference, and you know they're like, "Who's got card linking?" And it's like, you know, these big giant companies are saying, "We don't have that yet. We don't have that yet." And we do, you know. So we were just signing up then. So we're just getting started. It's a lot of fun. You know, yeah, we've had our challenges and stuff like that, like every company does. But if you focus on the basics, I mean, I can show you my health cards, $49 a month. Me and my wife, we can get 1,000 prescriptions free. We can get help. You know, we can get health benefits if we need them that exceed, you know, what I have with my insurance. um, I just got the sour sop. I just got a 12 pack of that. I got the bitters and the tea. Oh my god! And I'm like yelling at my wife, like, "Don't you dare drink it all! Like one, you know, we each get one every day. Don't be drinking it ahead of time." She wants to drink them all. And amazing product. The Three Waves Wellness, the gut biome product, which is not an MLM. You can only get it direct, and we got a huge discount on it. $100 off on 3 bottles I got. I mean, that's crazy discount. And I wanted it bad before that, but you know, like I said, I'm very frugal, and so I waited. And as soon as we inked the deal, I bought it instantly. Me and Charles both an amazing product. The copper, the Stay Well copper is an amazing product. Dr. Logan, I've met with him, been to his lab. Amazing, amazing guy. And oh, sorry, I was getting a phone call. But amazing, amazing guy. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. Uh, Dr. Logan's products are all amazing. So you know, you hear all these buzzwords about NAD and you know all this different stuff. He's got it. I mean, we get 40% off, and it's already a really, really good deal to start with. And now we're getting 40% off. You know, and I actually have a friend who sells with Dr. Logan. He's also a friend of him. He's paying a higher price than I am, so that's pretty funny. And so he was mad that I was getting a bigger discount. You guys are getting a bigger discount than my friend who's actually friends with Dr. Logan. Isn't that crazy? What else? And you know, just everything we got is amazing. The Monster Engager, I see that in action all over Facebook. Great, great product. You know, everything we got. We're just getting started. We got a lot of cool stuff. Lower your bills. You know, if you haven't done that, definitely take advantage of that. And we're going to be negotiating more. There's a lot of other arenas we can jump into that will you know give you guys discounts. You know, we still haven't explored you know, credit repair, debt consolidation, legal. You know, there's a whole bunch of other stuff we can get into that we're gonna get into. We got to make sure it's the right price. You know, the right partner. We don't want anybody on the street, so to speak, retail, to ever be able to get the deal we get. And now I'm looking in Charles's picture. I love Avoderm. I actually hurt my back because my I have to pick up my dog all the time. He's getting old, and I hurt my back. And someone had sent me an MLM product, not to diss on them, but the Avoderm works better. Okay, and it's one. tenth of the price. 1/10 of the price is the Avoderm than the one that my buddy sent me a whole case of, and it works a lot better too, to be honest with you. So I'm not gonna say the name of it, but pretty amazing.